Good day, Fias. Here you meet me again, Mr. Sesan Adewusi, Tantolorun, Baba Oloyin Original, Baba Oloyin Original. I'm staying at Yesiota, Baba Oloyin bus stop, Baba Oloyin bus stop, Yesiota. Good day to you. Yes, I come again. Here you meet me again. Today, I want to tell you, if you are too big, you want to get slim. Yes, there is a secret for that. You are too big, ó sanra jù, ó fẹ́ tínrín. Olómi lára, you are big, you are fat. Then you want to reduce your body. Only can do it. It's only one thing you have to want, and it will help you. It will burn your fat. Just get seated. If you have a friend that is having these problems, you can send this thing to them. Those of you that you normally send our post, anytime I release video like this, some people used to share among friends. God bless you. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, this is Kenny Show. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. If you have subscribed before, you don't need again. You can just help us to share among friends and relatives. I will teach you. If somebody is too fat and you want to get slim, you will get it on this program today by the special grace of God. Don't forget, I'm Baba Oloyin Original, as earlier told you. These rules, if somebody get diabetes, it is in this book. The name of this root is in this African power. African power, agbára èèyàn dúdú. Yes, if you take it within 2 weeks, after 1 week, you should go and check your sugar level, because it must not be too low again. Check it. It will tell you that you are all right. We can use it for manpower. Yes. If you are a man, you are not capable enough, your wife always complain that you understand what I mean. If you put 2 or 3 sticks, you cut it into pieces, you put it inside hot drinks, you can take it. Then it will help your immune system. If you are the type that you don't normally drink, you don't like hot drinks, you can put it inside 5 liters cake. You get a bunch like this, cut it into pieces, put them inside 5 liters cake. Put clean water, pour clean water on top of it, allow it for 2 days to ferment. Then you'll be taking it. Have a glass cup in the morning. If you are around in the afternoon, you can take. If you are not around in the afternoon, no need. You can take it in the morning and night. By the special grace of God, your body your immune system will increase, and you will be able to perform better. Everything is in this book, African Power. In this book, I told you my last video, and if you have been following me, inú igbó lọsàn wà, ọmọ aráyé ló mọ ńlànà lọ bá. Orange normally stays inside bush. It is human being that labor themselves to find it. Ó wà nínú ìwé yìí. It is in this book. How you can use orange skin. When you cut orange, you drink it. The piece, the skin, you normally throw it away. You will not throw it away again if you know the importance. How you can do it? When you dry it, you powder it, you add one thing to it, you mix it with honey. Every day, you just lick it. Your luck will shine. They will find you for good things. Yes. You can prepare it. Put it inside a plastic bottle. Anytime you need it, you will get a plastic plate. Put honey inside. Then put that preparation of honey piece and only one thing that doesn't cost you 10 naira. It doesn't cost you 10 naira. Very small thing. You have to eat. Yes. When you had to eat, you lick it every day. The thing you are going to use, it can't cost you more than 10 naira or 20 naira. Just say 20 naira. You have to eat. And you prepare a very big bottle. If you take 5 oranges, then the piece, you can use it. So that anytime you need it, you can share among friends and relatives. Yes, it's not only for one person. If you are not living here in Nigeria, you can send somebody to do it for you. You tell them the ingredients to add, or the ingredients is available all over the world. The ingredients is very common. So they prepare it for you, you lick it every day. I told you about egg cells. Many people have been looking for it. Egg cells. When the fowl produce chicken, this local fowl, that egg cells where the chicken came out, where those chickens came out, that empty cells, you won't throw it away again. If you see those farmers, you can beg for them. You can beg them to get for you. You use it. How you can use it? What you had to eat is in this book, African Power. I told you about afternoon midnight sand, 1 a.m. sand and 1 p.m. sand. If you mix them together, that cotton wood you prepare, you can join them with that ingredients I told you about. Yes, I told you about it. It is in this book. I told you in my last video also. Eruku ọ̀sán, eruku òru. Ọ̀sán àtòru kì í pàdé, bèbí odò méjì ìfojú kanra wọn. We use it for protection. You can put it inside your car. You can put it in your house. Nobody will disturb you. Yes, by the special grace of God. Eruku ọ̀sán, eruku òru, 1 p.m. sand, 1 a.m. sand. When you mix them together, your head will be doing like this. Then you know you get it at correct time. Some people are asking me that sometimes they are not around in the afternoon. You can get the sand of 1 a.m. today. Keep it. When you have time for the afternoon, you can join them together. If you get 1 a.m. sand at Ibadan, you get 1 a.m. sand at Ibadan. Then 1 p.m. sand in Lagos, you can still use it. It's still the same sand. It doesn't mean that when I get sand, you can get it at different locations. It will work for you. I told you about rainwater. Rain has started falling in some areas. For people in Ogun State, they have been witnessing rainfall. I told you what you can do with rainwater is in this book. I taught you. Watch my past videos, you will see there. If you watch my past video, you will see it's clear. Rain. Those of you that never get rainwater, it's better when rain fall in your area, you get it. Those of you that are giving me money, I will say big thanks to you. I will never forget you. You are the people keeping me in this business. Yes. Some people, they are giving money. They ask for the price of the books. When they want to pay, they pay more down the amount. Thank you. Iná ìtànwó àbùsí ntomi àbùsí ntodo. Owó yín ò ní kásàlẹ̀ àpò. Ẹ máa rí sí o. God will bless you, protect you wherever you are all over the world. This book, the way people patronize this book, I'm surprised. A woman came to me one day and said, some people, they didn't appreciate what I've been posting about honey as a medicine. I release most of the vital information on the internet. The woman told me that, don't say that. It is because they have tried all these things and it worked for them. That is why they were able to buy these books. I say yes. How many people have been they have been sending commendation messages on this book that it worked for them? See, this is Pandoro. It be like yam. It's not yam. It's not yam. When my senior sister, immediate senior sister, when she played with this thing, when we were in the village, my mother beat her out of her. I asked my mother, Why do you beat my sister like this? Don't mind that. Ọfẹ di ọlọ́múrọ̀rọ̀ máa wọlé. It was later when our baale, that elder in the village, when he prepared the house for a lady that got married without breast. The breast was small, and the mother of the sister was crying that if this girl happen to pregnant now, where will we get the who will breastfeed, who will do the breastfeeding for the child? Then the elder in the village called the mother. They prepare something with this, and the rest is history now. So if you want breast enlargement, penis enlargement, the secret is in African power. Yes, the price of the book is more than the rest books, because what we put inside, the book is more or less a spiritual book. The book is more or less a spiritual book. Some people didn't want this book to be released. I said, look, but Jawi origin, I showed them forgiveness leaves. Origin. I said, please forgive me. Forgive me. The only thing you can do is that those people you are worrying, they will not be able to buy the book. Àwọn táyé bá ń dà láàmú, mo ò ní rówó ràwé, bí wọ́n rà wọn ò ní ṣiṣẹ́ inú ẹ̀. Àwọn táyé bá ń ṣe, wọ́n máa kẹ́gàn ni. Those people that have been tormented by witches and wizards, they will not get money to buy books. They will be criticizing. They don't mind him. He's just looking for what to eat. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni mi bá tún rà kò ní lè ṣe. That's just it. So those of you that are doing this thing, you are buying these books, it will work for you by the special grace of God. I release books once in 5 years. Check all my past books. You will see what I'm saying. Some people are asking me for bottom enlargement. I never get that secret. By the special grace of God, when I want to release another book 5 years to this time, by the special grace of God, bottom enlargement, it will be there. I am compiling it. So I release my books 5 years. So to the thing that I told you earlier on, that I want to teach you, that if you are too fat, it's not good to be too fat, because if there's anything in the country you want to run, you will not be able to run. If fat is too much in your body, this is how to reduce the fat. Yes, get a bottle of honey, a bottle of original honey. Get garlic. You know garlic. You just grind. You will get this garlic. Get some quantities, grind them, mix with bottle of honey. Then take 3 spoons in the morning, 3 tablespoons in the afternoon, 3 in the night. If you are not around the afternoon, no problem. In the night, you can use it. You can use morning before food, and the night before you sleep. It will burn your fat. Yes, try it. It's my book, Honey as a Medicine. It's there, and those who have used it, they are giving me testimonials. Yes, I picked this thing from Honey as a Medicine book. Yes, don't forget, I'm the publisher of Agbára Ìwòsàn Oyin, Healing Power of Honey. For those who get staphylococcus, it's there. Some people, they are married for long, they can't produce any issue because of low sperm count or need. Some people are need, nothing inside, only water will be coming out. Yes, that is as a result of staphylococcus. How to use it. Even this book was sold because of staphylococcus. It's the major thing that sold this book. This one, Ọ̀nà Àbáyọ fún Ìṣòro Ẹ̀dá, Solution to Woman Problems. If you have been having female, you want to have a male child, the secret is in this place, in this book. You know, when a woman born a male, it's not the fault of the woman, or if she begins to burn you Females. Some people used to divorce their wives because of that. No, it depends on the condition you come down. The position you come down when you after meeting your wife that determine the sex of the baby. Buy this book and know the secret. I have a daddy. He's a husband to my mother's junior sister. So the husband of this man, he married more than 5 wives. The first wife got 6 children for the man. All of them, they were females. He married another wife, 4 children, females. The third one deliver 3 or 4 children for the man, females. Till the man died, the man didn't get any male. So it was all this research that what is the causes of all these things. When you see this book, you will see the reason. Some people used to do medicine for that. It can't work. But the position you come down when you meet your wife will determine. So don't forget my phone number is at the bottom of this video. 081 084 31336. I am the same Baba Oloye original. If you call me on that line, that my Glo number, I will still answer you. This one is WhatsApp only, because at the same time I cannot be attending to this line and the other line. So we receive WhatsApp messages only on this channel. 081 084 31336. Then don't forget, if you have been following me on the other channel, Baba Oloye Original Television, Tantolom, you will know I'm using Glo number there. 0054749455. I am the same person. You meet on Baba Oloye Original Television and Kenny Show Television. So this is Kenny Show. Don't forget this one will reduce your sugar level. The secret is in this book. Till next time when you meet me again, Baba Oloye Original is my name. Remain blessed.